Hi everyone, today I'm with Peter shooting some promotion for my new single Morph, and I hope you like this behind scenes, and yeah, hope you enjoy it.
So it's a Saturday, so I don't have back in the studio. Anna's new song, Moth, has been released and we're shooting a quick bit of extra promotional gear for it. I've just taken 4 frames, literally only 4 frames, using continuous light. I said to Anna, should we just film this? And she goes, yeah, let's do this. So we decided just to put some cameras on. So you'll just see what we do on a shoot. It'll be a little bit fly on the wall, although I still will talk. Cool?
Cool.
Right, so she already knows the look she's after. She's picked out the type of look she wanted. So we've set up for this. We'll just start shooting, and this is me just getting Anna into the mood and getting the shot. Cool?
Cool.
Cool. That's really cool. So Anna's given me permission to push her like crazy.
Yes.
Yes.
I give you full permission.
And it's always going to take a little bit of time for someone to get into the mood. Warm up. Cool. But what I want to do is just get to free flow, and it's nearly you trying to force with your eyes for when I take the picture. Cool. So we had a bit of a look at some stuff online so Anna could understand the type of power we need, and for her to understand that really the picture is made with the eyes. You saw straight away with those pictures before.
Yeah.
Really didn't matter what they were wearing, it was the eyes. Nice. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. Cool. Punch in those eyes, come on. Really cool. Like I said, your eyes should be as hard as hitting a high note.
Yeah.
It should really be, you've really got to work a feeling, a thought. Are you liking the feel?
Yeah, I do.
Did you want a little bit of wind, or do you think that'll make it harder?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anna always likes some. So just see how much wind we get off that. Is that enough? Because it's just going to softly move. Yeah, so it's only there. You'll see it more as Anna moves a little bit. You'll see how the wind just catches her hair. If you fall back on the wall, how does that make you feel? There. Does that feel better? Like you can come off the wall, but sometimes the wall will just give you that. You can be able to work your attitude against the wall better. Cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's better. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Just drop your elbow a fraction. There, that's just it. That's there. Cool. Beautiful, beautiful. It's stunning. That's really pretty. So how long is your song? About 3 minutes?
Close to 4.
Close to 4?
Yeah.
All right, so for the next 4 minutes, we're just going to click, shoot, click, shoot. You just work it.
Oh, right.
And then we're going to do it with the song on, but I'm going to have my
version. Yep, got it.
So what I'm going to do, sorry YouTube, but because of copyright, we're going to leave it here, and we're now going to just record it with her song for Inspire. For the benefit of YouTube, you're going to get my vocals, but you're going to get Anna posing to her own music playing. So hopefully you can see the difference from this point on. Make sure you have your story. Make sure you have your eyes. And feel it to the music. You're cool, that's really cool. That's really cool. Cool. That's really cool. That's really beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's stunning. I'm liking that drift, that nice drift. Try and drift into a movie, or even drift on stage. You know how you don't even think what you're going to do. You just have this beautiful drift and let it feel. I want the same thing. I want you just to feel things and move to the feel. Cool, cool. Nice, nice. That's pretty, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. Cool. Cool. I really like this. Nice. Cool. Beautiful, beautiful. There, strong. That's really cool, cool, cool. I really like this.
I hope you enjoy this, guys. I put the song in the descriptions. And if you want to see more of video of me and Peter, it's going to be somewhere here. Thank you so much.